Welcome to Fallout 76, this is Jim. In this video, we're going to continue on with the Mistress of Mysteries questline here. And we started off in the last episode. It's called Novice of Mysteries. And it gives us little side quests to complete before we complete the actual Novice of Mysteries. So let's take a look at it here in the Pip-Boy. It'll be under Stata and then Side. And as you can see here in Novice of Mysteries, in order to advance in the order of mysteries, you need to master the tools and techniques of the Mistress by completing the missions offered by Cryptos, who is the computer inside here. And we're going to take a look. So last episode we looked at Earn the Phantom Device. You have that checked off. So today we're going to take a look at the Earn the Blade of Bastet. So I believe there's a... I can't remember the name of the quest, but we'll see it pop up here very soon. So let's go ahead inside here. And of course, we're right here at the Riverside Manor. All right, so you have to make sure that you have the veil on. So if you go under item and then under apparel, make sure you have the worn veil on your person, like equipped, like this, okay? So you must have it equipped so you have it on your face like this, okay? And that's what will allow you through the secret door when you enter this room here. Now, I'm sure if you've gotten this far into the quest line, I'm sure you know this already, but just in case someone stumbles across the video and are trying to look for answers, so I always like to kind of add in as much as I can. All right, so again, this is what I told people. So we were able to make it through the door. However, we're not able to make it through this laser grid, and this happens quite often. And I'm making this video in January 2025, and Mistress of Mysteries came out during Wastelanders. So it's been a very long time, but we still have these bugs that are happening. So anytime we come across a laser grid system and they turn red like this, we can't enter, obviously, okay? But I'm still wearing that worn veil. So this is what I instruct people to do. You take the worn veil off, and then you put it back on again, just like that, okay? So just in case you come across the same issue. So I'm glad I explained it in the last video, but I'm glad that I was able to, you can see it for yourself in the video, right? So because videos are worth, a million words. So that way there, you just take it off, put it back on again, and that's how you solve that problem, okay? Let's go ahead inside here. That is so cool. All right, let's go inside here. All right. So we're going to log in as unknown user. That's us. And database queries, I think it is called. Or maybe not. I know these are really confusing. The Mistress of Mysteries mission board. Just try that one. Oh, there we go. Okay. So Novice, the Blade of Bastet. So let's go ahead and select that. You should view the mission briefing for your instructions, okay? Let's back out. Database queries, I think. Okay, so of his historic swords. All right, checkpointed. All right. Didn't really tell us too much there, did it? Please require the sword. Complete the swing analyzer process and return it to the production facility for processing. WhiteSprings Presidential Cottage. Okay. So that's at the WhiteSprings Golf Club. All right. So let's back out here for a second. And we've come across this a couple times that it doesn't really update like most quests do at the top right-hand corner of the screen. So let's check our Pip-Boy here again. And we're going to go side here, and it won't let me select anything else here. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it's called forging a legend. So I find since the update we got on December 3rd, 2024, there's been a few little things that are used to pop up automatically, but we've been, like, even daily quests, I find there's certain daily quests we have to go into our Pip-Boy and activate them, where in the past, like before December 3rd, 2024 update, it would just pop up automatically. So I don't know why that is. It's so confusing, but let's go ahead and highlight it. So that's the main quest that we're going to do here in this episode, Forging a Legend. The Blade of Bastet is the Mistress legendary sword. In order to make my own blade, I need to find a historic sword and pick up a swing analyzer from the Fabricator. Okay. Perfect. Listen to the Blade of Bastet holotape. Let's try to find that now under Item. Right there. So, Blade of Bastet. Let's go ahead and listen to that.
In combat, the Mistress of Mystery relied upon her speed, agility, and training in the martial arts, including the art of the sword. For many years, her favorite weapon was the Blade of Bastet, a legendary sword passed down from hero to hero across the ages. The time has come for you to earn your own blade. First, you'll need to locate a sword with historic significance. That symbolism matters. You'll treat it with respect. Cryptos should have some leads. Then you'll need to pick up one of Frederick's swing analyzers and attach it to your sword. The analyzer will collect data on your stance and swing as you wield it against different foes. Once the analyzer has finished its work, Frederick should be able to hone your sword into a blade worthy of the Mistress of Mystery.
Okay. Interesting. Alright, so let's back out here. So let's take a look at the data again. See if anything has changed. Okay, acquire a historic sword. Okay, let's check the map there. So there we go. Forging a Legend. It's finally popping up. Let's check the map here. Acquire a historic sword right up here. Good stuff. So let's go to WhiteSprings. We'll go to the north entrance, and of course it's a free fast travel once when you discover it. We're just going to stay to the outside. Just fast travel over there. I would say of all the quests that I've ever done in this game, for me, this one's the most glitchiest, like quest per quest kind of thing, and it's kind of annoying. But that's why I decided to make it part of these early on quests and videos, and I'm glad I did, and that way there we can help the community. All right, let's take a look here. We're gonna lock and load. Should have got some more ammo, but it is what it is. I think I would have learned the first time. What is that over there? Is that a Grafton monster? It is. Parasitic. Looks parasitic. So we're heading in the right direction. So we're going to try to avoid that guy. Now, of course, we are headed up to these little buildings up here. And there will be a bunch of ghouls up here, so we'll have to keep our wits about us here. I'm just going to start on this end, because if I don't, those ghouls are just going to keep harassing us. We're just going to take care of the ghouls as we go. Alright, so let's go ahead here. Oh, look at that there. Well, since that whiskey going to waste, that's silly. Let's keep going. Grafton monster will stay down there, hopefully. It's in the next building, looks like. Alright, let's keep going here. Oh, wow. Bit of die here. Oh, my lord. Haha! Oh, wow. Yeah, we should have brought some more ammo, Jimmy. Wow. We had the same situation we were the other day. There we go. I made her through. Wow. Some ammo back there, so... Wow, they just came out of nowhere, didn't they? Good thing they can't climb that little car there. That was pretty funny. I thought for sure they were going to get up there. Alright, so I probably cleared this, these buildings here, because usually that's where they all came from, was inside this building here. Acquire the historic sword. Alright, let's try this terminal here. Find the terminal password. Alright, where would this password be? Alright, let's go ahead here. Try upstairs. For some reason, I can't remember where to get... Okay, so we're in the objects, the zone. Take a look at the map here. Find the terminal password. So it's in the area. Let's just kind of check some places here. Oh, what's that? What's this? Card, there we go. Card's password, there we go. Nice. So I don't know if it's there every time, but close this door. Grab the monster still down there. Let's try to use this here. Display case access. Open display case. Right, so here is our Grant's Sabre. There we go. See what that looks like. Let's go under item. All right, cool. All right, we might actually be using that. We'll have to see what happens. Let's take a look at data again. Get a swing analyzer from the Fabricator. All right, let's take a look at the... All right, so we have to... Take a look here. See if there's any... I don't think there's... Oh, what's this? Yeah, we're just looking at that, Jim. Right on. That's what getting old. That's what getting old does to you. I don't know how old you guys are, but when you get old, that stuff happens all the time. Oh, my soul. All right. Well, I don't know why. Uh-oh. Here, the Grafton monster. All right, let's head back to the Riverside Manor. I think that's where we have to go. So we'll just pop back here. Looking at it. Oh, move the map around a little bit. It's like, oh, look at this here. Oh, my soul. What can you do, man? What could you do? Love it. All I could do is laugh at myself at this time. Yeah, we definitely need to make some more ammo. Yeah, first order of business before the next episode for sure. Yeah, let's head downstairs here. There you go. So the Fabricator's down here. Fabrication services. Alright, so swing analyzer. There we go. Attach the swing analyzer to Grant's Sabre. Alright. Here's that at now. Let's take a look here at the... Attach the swing analyzer to the sword so it can collect data on my combat style. Well, let's go to a weapons workbench here. Let's go modify it. I'm thinking this is what we have to do, but... Grand Sabre. Alright. Swing analyzer. Alright, so you see how that puts it on the little piece there at the end? Okay. So that's on. That's checked. Alright. Kill different types of creatures with the Grant's Sabre. Now, does it give us like a specific type of creature, I wonder? Or it can be any creature. Alright. So let's take the easy way out here. We'll take the easy way out. Let's go to Flatwoods. Or we'll go to the Green Country Lodge here. That's what we'll do. And we'll see if this works. So creatures are basically anything but a human or a robot, okay? So insects, animals, ghouls, cryptids, super mutants, mole miners, what have you. There we go. I think I remember actually doing this. There's some mongrels up here. Let's go after them for a second. Now, I'm not a big melee character. But you can always kind of knock them down like that, you know what I mean? And then that way there. And there we go. It's not really working, is it? Oh, it is now. Okay, good stuff. Kill a canine. Okay. Let's take on this squirrel here to see if this works. Alright, so that's not really working either. Let's try these mole rats down here. Oh yeah, it did work. Okay. Kill a rodent. So these guys may be considered rodents too, I think. Mole rats. I would assume so. Oh, I level up, baby. Alright, so I think they're considered rodents too. So there are some rad roaches right over here. And they'll be considered insects. Right, there's a rad roach. Another one. There we go. So they should be considered insects, but could be wrong. Yeah, there we go. Okay, kill a bug. Okay, good stuff. It's a little slow there, isn't it? Let's try this. I don't know what this Brahmin would... Try it anyway. Oh, I've never seen Brahmin turn red like that before. get back here there, Betsy. I don't think I've ever seen the Brahmin do that before. Alright. I don't know if that'll count or not, but... there'll be some ghouls up here by the red rocket. Oh, I did kill a Brahmin. Oh, good stuff. Some ghouls up here. Take care of them. Oi. Watch my health here. Alright, kill a Pharaoh Ghoul. Okay, good stuff. Alright, so... what else we got here? Let's check. Some more insects around here. There should be some rad toads. Or mirelurks over here. Let's go to New River Gorge Resort. There'll be some mirelurks over here. And again, you can make it as easy or as hard as you want. But we get quite a few just down through Flatwoods there, as you saw. Oh my lord, are you kidding me? This guy trolls me bad. Yeah, whatever, buddy. Let's get,
Updated our privacy policy. As a monthly prize winner, your name, likeness, and other personal information may be used for publication without your consent. Have a wonderful day.
Should be a ghoul. Maybe in around there, but we'll go around. After one of these nice little mirelurks here. Even get over that. Let's we'll kind of wear them down a little bit with this. Here we go. He disappeared, that guy. Hey, come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Oh my lord. Ow. Ouch. Oh. Oh, no, no ammo left. That's why, Jimmy. See, he's ducking there. That's pretty interesting, eh? It's painful to watch, isn't it? It's painful for me doing it. Come on, boys. It's my turn, he says. Oh, there we go. Get him. Nice. Nice. There we go. Look at that thing, will ya? Face that only Mom could love. Right there. Hopefully it pops up here in a second. There we go. Complete. Complete. Use a fabricator to make a Blade of Bastet. Alright, let's pop back here. We'll leave them be. That's kind of fun, actually. Look at that thing. I think they're just cleaning themselves. What do you guys think? I don't see them eating anything. Alright. Let's do this.
Inside us.
Yeah, that's creepy. Creepy. Alright, let's head back down to the fabricator. Use the fabricator to make the Blade of Bastet. Fabrication system. Blade of Bastet. There we go. Done. 70 caps. Complete. Nice. Blade of Bastet. Done. There we go. Forging a Legend is complete. Love it. Just like that. That's all right. Nice little quest line. Again, you almost have to try to figure it out on your own for some reason, but yeah, it is what it is. That's why I try to make these videos. So the next episode, we'll take a look at Earn the Voice of Set. So we'll take a look at that in the next video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and share when you have the chance. It really helps me out. I'd like to thank my channel members, Artistically Arranged, Michael Edwards, Nigel Wiffen, Heather, Whitetribe, Robco, Mr. Shelton, Drake Stamps, Mr.Prince, NotMeButMeYesMeThatsMe, Drew, Andrew, Demon Confounded, Bridge, Ghost, Primus, Corn, Van Niekerk, Ben Durant, John, DJ59. Thank you all so very much, and I hope you all have a nice day.